Here are the digital instrument cluster from Ugode that are fitted for BMW 3 Series F30 and F31. You can find this digital cluster in the video description below. Here is the user manual. This is the installation manual for BMW 3 Series that shows you how to remove the old instrument cluster and install the new digital one. This is the USB cable that you can connect it to the digital cluster. And this is the T30 Torx with which you remove the instrument cluster's bolts. Here is the digital instrument cluster that looks pretty nice. You can connect the USB cable in there. One, unscrew the two bolts from the instrument cluster using a T30 Torx, which you can find in the new cluster package. Before removing the instrument cluster, adjust the steering wheel as far as possible towards you and lowest. Two, remove the old instrument cluster and then disconnect the connector from the back. Press on that clamp to remove it. The USB cable can be connected to the digital cluster and take the other end to the glove compartment. 3. Connect the connector to the new digital cluster and then fix it in position. Four, put the two bolts back in place. The digital cluster shows you when the door is open. Each time you have to press the BC button from the signal lever to select a function. So, if you press on it, you can see some information on the right side: battery voltage, engine oil temperature, water temperature. Here you have the steering angle, battery health, fuel consumption, and many more. Then if you long press on the BC button, you can access the main menu from the top. Here you have other functions like trip info, information options, mobile connectivity. At mobile connectivity, you can connect your phone through Bluetooth to the digital cluster. Also offer the option to use the CarPlay and Android Auto functions, but at an additional cost. Let's see how it looks like at night. We continue the main menu presentation. In the first category, trip info, you can see the since refueling, start of trip, and individual. The next category, information options, which has engine speed or gear, trip option, and right or middle information. Here is the mobile connectivity, where I just told you that you can connect your phone to your cluster and use some of your mobile apps. The digital instrument cluster also offer the option to use the CarPlay and Android Auto functions, but at an additional cost. In my car, you can switch the digital cluster image with a new one. You can choose from different styles, an ID7 style and ID8 style. Here we have the vehicle settings, where you can find driving mode and vehicle color, where you can choose color from the display. There is also service, where you can reset oil and oil filter, front and rear brake pads, vehicle inspection, air and fuel filter. The last one is system settings, where you can find language. Here you can choose from English, German, Spanish, Japanese, Russian, Chinese simplified, Chinese traditional, Arabic, Turkish, Korean, French, Italian, and many more. You can set date and time, units, general settings, and you can do a software update if it's needed. You can find digital instrument cluster for BMW 3 Series F30, F31 in the video description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Thank you for watching.